Chaim, don't go anywhere. Come here. I want to show you something special for this year. New restaurant on the boat. Come here.
We're here in Bass Bourbon in White Lake on the water with Chef Barel. Just landed yesterday from Israel. Came in special to be the chef here this summer 2026.
Absolutely, Chaim. Thank you very much for coming. I'm here with the jet lag, but I cannot go sleep because the spatial view.
Look at the view here, guys.
No. Sorry, this is the view. Yeah.
This is the view.
Yeah. This is, oh, hello. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much. Nice. Mayor, like you said, this is the view. Dive straight into it.
Absolutely. So we open in this summer again the Bass Bourbon restaurant on the lake, in the White Lake, in the mountains, Catskills, summer 2026. And also we have the Bison Bourbon, the meat restaurant, the best meat restaurant on the milk food, the dairy food.
Wow.
We have a lovely dairy food.
Look at this, guys. Look at this.
Yeah.
Which one do we start with? Which dish?
I want you to taste the crunchy tacos.
Wow.
Amazing crunchy tacos.
Nice.
Risotto balls.
Risotto balls.
Risotto balls. It's called arancini.
Arancini.
Yeah.
Actually, you went to school in Italy?
I learned in the Cordon Bleu in France.
Oh, really?
Yeah, 2006.
2006. So you're a chef for 20 years.
Exactly, yeah.
And now
then I go to around across the world. I've been in so many countries, and I learned in each place I arrive. In Spain, I learned molecular food. In Italian food, the pizzaiolo, gelato, and much more. And now I'm here in America with you guys. Come see him here.
Come and see him here. He's the Michelin chef in Israel. He owns Pitmaster. In London, he owns the brand new restaurant just opened up last week.
Yeah, the culinary stage.
Right, and he's opening up in Miami next week.
Yeah.
Crazy restaurants. And here we have him here in Bass and Bourbon for the summer. Let's go on to the next dish here.
Next dish is, so as you see, the fish and chips. I just fished that fish in the lake. No, I'm kidding. But this fish, fresh fish with crunchy Dutch fries. Amazing.
Look at that.
Amazing.
Oh, man. And the only doesn't know that you came straight out of Koil. You were learning a Koil till recently. That means you part-time were a chef, and he sat in Koil. So this guy is a Koil in the man be'etzem, and he got that chefness to him. Let's go.
Parnosse, we make aristaldus. So to feed people, my Rebbe told me.
Who's your Rebbe?
Rebbe Natvone.
Natvone Rebbe?
Yeah, Natvone is my Rebbe. Yeah.
Really? Natvone Rebbe told you, go feed people, like a Pshai Rebbe
He told me like that. Yeah, he told me like that. You're going out from the Koil, the place that's called Zav and Plinim, go make Zav and Plinim. Be the best.
Unbelievable.
And I think he eats good.
Wow. Chaved chef in Advon, Yossi Fried. This is the
special burger from Bass Bourbon.
Okay, I'll keep the special burger from Bass Bourbon. The milchige eggplant parmesan.
Yeah.
Looks like a burger.
Yeah, absolutely.
Nice.
And there's the sauce. Marinara sauce. Parmigiano. Chaim, please, for you. Chaim.
On to the next, cauliflower.
Fried cauliflower. Special. We have the special cream of pumpkin cream. And l'chaim.
L'chaim, pumpkin cream in the house. That salad looks tempting. Mayor, the salad looks tempting. Look at that. Look at the salad there.
Let's make real l'chaim.
L'chaim, I want. Amen. L'chaim.
Oh, my jet lag. Oh, my God.
You gotta go on, man. You landed and you're hustling already.
Absolutely.
No time for jet lag.
No time, guys. Summer is off.
Look at this drinks over here.
Yeah.
This is a limonana.
Limonana with cream.
Limonana with cream.
It's coming from Brazil.
Really?
Yeah, when you cream the limonana, you can Brazilian liquid, Brazilian shake cocktail. It's crazy.
Something out of the world.
L'chaim. This is the mozzarella bites. Oh my God. Oh, I'm gonna be fat. Oh my God.
Then you take some slanted shots.
Yeah.
That's it.
I want to do l'chaim with you with the legendary drinks of Bass Bourbon. L'chaim. Wow, amazing.
L'chaim. Legendary drinks. Look at this limonana.
Oh my God.
Out of the world.
White chocolate.
Wow.
So the new menu in the Bass Bourbon restaurant gonna be crazy this summer. Come, Tisha Sayomim, so soon. This is the best place for you. Everybody, I'm gonna be here, and in the other restaurants of Bass Bourbon, and then the next 2 restaurants you're gonna see soon.
Stay tuned.
And yeah, stay with us. Hey, Chaim, don't go anywhere. Come here. I want to show you something special for this year. New restaurant on the boat. Come here.
Let's go, Chavre. New for this year on the boat restaurant. Mayor, don't go away. Hold up.
I'm waiting for you.
Chavre, let's hop on the boat. Let's see what Mayor has to offer here this year on the boat.
Oh, l'chaim.
L'chaim.
Oh, see what a view.
Wow.
What a view, amazing view. Come, sit, l'chaim.
So what do you have this year? You have boats?
Yeah, this year we open a boats restaurant.
Boat restaurant.
You can see the second one over there.
Nice.
And this one. And you can rent. You can take a reservation of the special culinary boats.
Wow.
We have Israeli cuisine or Asian cuisine. You can order the whole menu. When you up on the boat, You get your own chef, and you
Your chef
eat,
comes on the boat with you?
Absolutely, yes. And
Crazy.
you eat the whole menu. You eat the whole menu.
So there's no ordering this, that you get the whole menu.
The whole menu.
And he makes the food on the boat for you?
Absolutely, and try not to eat the chef, please. You can eat everything, just not the chef and the captain.
You can eat everything besides the chef and the captain. That's so cool. So you go out for 2 hours in the water.
Absolutely.
And the chef makes you the food on the boat, so it's fresh.
Good music.
Good music.
Good drinks.
Good wine.
Good wine, beer, nargila, whatever you want to bring.
Oh my goodness.
And then you have your own chef, your private time, you can fish, you can dance, you can sit, you can do lechaim, you can do tish, you can do mikveh, you can do everything here.
Have a look at this view here. Hello, Mayor, should we take the slide?
It's for you.
Should we take the slide?
I gotta picture you.
Nah, I'm not going down. Mayor, you go down. Let's go down together.
Oh no.
The slide over here down to the bottom. What's nice. This is amazing.
Good dessert for the end of that video, huh?
Need some good desserts.
So let's make a lechaim. Honey martini with melon. ברוך אתה אדוני אלוהינו מלך העולם שהכל נהיה בדברו.
Amen. Gotta give a kick that melon.
Oh my God. Good for the jet lag.
Honeydew martini.
Oh yeah. And then we have the brulee cream and of course fruit salad.
Wow.
And Belgian waffle.
Belgian waffle.
With the ice cream. And the banana delight with the special cream and crunchy.
Ooh.
Oh, you hear that?
Wow. You heard that crunch?
Oh my God. Oh my God.
Wow.
Shh. I'm gonna be fat at the end of the summer.
Oh my God. You're in America, you gotta get some weight. But oh man. Wow. Have some martini over there.
Oh.
Kevin, you come out here, you're gonna enjoy yourself here in Bass and Bourbon. This is just out of the world. The vibe here with the food, the whole entire matzah put together.
And the lake.
Yeah, Father, the whole vibe on the lake.
Yeah.
It's out of the world. Out of the world. Oof, oof. Mayor, this is the purple rank. They say this is out of the world.
And the honey martini. Oh.
Kevin, you can't get enough in this place. Unreal. Wow.
So Chaim, after I show you the whole area and the whole restaurant, the indoor, the outdoor restaurant, I want to tell you that you cannot forget the special menu for 9 days, Tisha Sayomim, Bass and Bourbon, gonna be special here on the deck of the lake. Welcome.
So Kevin, 9 days menu is gonna be special here on the lake. Now, besides the dock, Mayor, take me over here. You have a full indoor.
You have the indoor and a little bit outdoor.
A little outdoor over here.
The meat area, the meat restaurant, Bison and Bourbon.
Yeah, over here, the Bison and Bourbon.
Look over the chef of that restaurant.
Bison and Bourbon chef.
Midor, say hello.
Manishma Midor. Bison and Bourbon. So when Bass and Bourbon meets Bison and Bourbon, it becomes a bourbon situation.
Absolutely. Upstairs.
Let's go upstairs.
Bass and Bourbon.
Let's
Here's
check
the
it out.
Bison, the best steaks.
Wow. Having a nice vibe over here at night. Bison and Bourbon. And over here, Mayor, you have a middle of the day. This is a Bass and Bourbon area.
This is the Bass and Bourbon.
Bass and Bourbon area for the middle of the day. Nice vibe over here.
Bass and Bourbon area up there.
Up there, we want to show some people over there.
Over here, over there. Over there, we're gonna plan. We have a plan. We have a lot of plans. We're gonna open the lab, my own spatial show, food show.
Nice.
But we'll speak about that later.
Nice.
And we have a lot of parking, as you see.
A lot of parking, and then you have
see?
This is the indoor.
Yeah, the indoor. We have air conditioning here for guys, cities that want the air conditioning. And absolutely lovely place, clean and good smell.
Wow.
Good music,
So this
good
is the
vibes.
Bass and Bourbon.
Bass and Bourbon.
It's a tongue twister. Bass and Bourbon, Bison Bourbon. So
Yeah,
you have
absolutely.
Bass and Bourbon
The
in
upper
here, upper level Bass. Downstairs is Bison.
Yeah, and the
on
deck, of course.
is Bison also.
Okay, you saw everything. You have the Bass and Bourbon, the deck. You have the ships, and now I want to take you in the next video to our next place, next level of 5 food restaurants, foodie restaurants, crazy restaurants, fast food that I built in the Keats Road. Next video.
Stay tuned, Kevin.
Stay tuned.
Next video comes soon.